How do you feel right now at this very moment? So we didn't see anyone do this yet. We're not sure how deep it is.
Alright, you ready?
But you're gonna be fine.
Our first road trip together. Oh, right there. Waterfalls. So what's your name?
It's Brendan Rubino.
Brendan Rubino. We just met Brendan. We just picked him up. Giving him a ride. Say what's up, Brendan.
What's up?
Brendan's showing us where the waterfalls are. So where you from?
I'm from Long Island.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'm
Very
from
close to
Long
me.
Island. Over here, right here. That's
Right
my
here.
car with the surfboards.
Alright.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
We're going to find a hiking trail. I needed this. I need to get out of that crazy world and get into nature. All right, I'm gonna jump. Are you gonna jump? If your mom were to see this, she would kill me. Oh boy.
But you can't jump here. You want me to go first?
Woo! You only live unlimited once though. Ooh, looking good. All right, you ready?
How do you feel right now at this very moment? So we didn't see anyone do this yet. We're not sure how deep it is. But you're gonna be fine.
If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it.
Woo! Yeah, first jump's in. I'm so proud of. Woo!
I couldn't show you the first time because I was a little too nervous.
You got this. You got this.
Good now. Pro.
Oh boy. Oh my God! Woohoo! Oh my God! Yes! Yes!
The fall is over there, is it? Oh, that's okay.
Should we do it this way then? This way? No, that's zoom. Zoom out.
Wait, 1 second. I don't know. Is it better or should we do this?
Yeah, that way. All right.
Just fall.
Right there. Yep. You got this. Woo!
That's good.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I think that hurt her, like, diaphragm.
What's up, big ass daddy long way?
Can you please get it away from me?
We got company. Pressure's on, bro.
Oh my God.
You guys gonna jump?
Can't go wrong.
I did not know that you had. You told me like you were like that, but whoa! Oh, fuck! And there goes my shoes. Fuck!
You'll live, all right?
I'll live.
I just almost died over there.
Yeah, I know. I tell you, still just jumping off a cliff. You really need to face your fear. It's pretty cool. Since you got hurt, go to side job. Another day, Monday morning, heading to Founders. Yesterday, man, got me so motivated. You know, I feel like the best motivation is when you leave your comfort zone, you go out into nature, go hiking, jump off a cliff, do something outside to just get your unplug. I think that's where your real creativity, that's where the best ideas will come from. So now today, I'm ready to hustle. New day, new goals. Let's own it. Founders. Just finished our morning meeting, leaving for Tokyo tomorrow. Oh man, I'm kind of like, can't believe it. I kind of want to be here with the team, but it's part of being a leader is like trusting in your team, knowing when to allow them to step up, even though you're going to be traveling or going and taking, you know, some meetings. You gotta allow your team to truly step up as leaders. So I'm excited to see them just like push everything forward over these next couple weeks while I'm in Tokyo and then London. In the meantime, I'll be out there just killing it, pushing forward, building new relationships for founders, getting my creative juices flowing so that I can bring those ideas back here. And Kaizen, one Japanese word I just learned, it means get 1% better every single day.